Hello there. Thank you for clicking this video. Are you curious about how I achieve these looks with this amazing palette? Watch this video till the end. I got this palette by Big Bazaar. If you live in the Netherlands, you know what Big Bazaar is. I was just walking around and looking what I can find, and I came across to this amazing face palette, and it is a complete set, a complete face palette. So when you have it, you have everything you need for your face. I thought, oh, I can make a video and show people who want to begin with doing some makeup and they don't want to spend a lot of money buying all these makeup products. One palette, you have everything. So if you want to see how I achieve this, watch this video till the end. I hope it helps you to play around and see how makeup can do some gorgeous things. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, my lovely people. So in today's video, are you ready? Are you all ready? Are you all ready? I'm going to do a review about these amazing face palettes. This gorgeous. And let's read what it got. So this has a complete face palette. It contains eyeshadow, lip gloss, blush and bronzer, powder, 2 times powder, eyeliner, blush, brush, lip brush, and it got a double-ended applicator. What else do we need? So when you have this is what I was reading. It got everything you need to make this face, and it's also giving directions. So if you are doing, for example, eyeshadow, it is saying here, apply eyeshadow in smooth, even strokes, working from inner corner of the eyelid outwards. You worked from inner to outwards. And lip gloss, apply the desired color directly to the lips in smooth, even stroke, working from center of your lips outwards. So center outwards. Blushes, using blush. So blushes, using a brush, sweep upwards and outwards along the cheekbone. So like that and like that. And powder, apply evenly over the face to set the foundation. And for the eyeliner, delicately apply along the eye line. Oh, I cannot read everything here. See this sticker? Need to remove this sticker to read, but anyway, I think it's about the lower lashes line from inner corner to outer corner, the same. So it's just explaining anyway how you can apply your whole complete face. So it gives you direction, but we all know how to apply eyeliner. If you don't, get this and you can read what is written there and you can apply. So without me blah 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 talking, let's get started with this palette. So I'm just curious about the eyeshadows. So let's get opening. So I can just remove it like that, which makes the work easy for me. And I need to open it sideways. There's a sticker here sideways. Need to remove the sticker. need to remove the sticker. So I struggled to open it, but I managed to open it, and this is everything they were explaining. So this line is the lip gloss. What was it? Lip gloss of lip gloss. Yeah, lip gloss. They have 10 times of lip gloss and 35 eyeshadows. 35 eyeshadows, and here are the blush and the powder, and they have the small applicators. Here is a small brush, and here everything tiny, and here is the eye pencil. You can see it there. But anyway, let's see. I'm going to try to get that golden brown. This color is what I'm going to try to put to my eyelid. Let's see. So it was saying apply eyeshadow in smoothly even strokes. So I'm gonna apply even smoothly, evenly strokes. Yes. Apply from inner corner going outward. So you apply inner corner going outwards like that, like this. And you all can see this. This is very nice. This is very nice. For those who like to have some eyeshadows but don't know that shouting. So like a small little bit makeup is not bad. A little bit makeup is not bad. So far, I'm going to use everything they put here. So I'm going to use this small little applicator. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding, which color should I combine? I think I'm gonna put a little bit darker. So I'm gonna put, so I put this, and then I'm gonna put this darker. A little bit on top, like that, to the corner. Like that, you know, to make that. And this side I use the lighter, and this side I'm going to use the dark side. You know, like that. I don't know if you all can see this. Let me come close. This is so amazing. I'm liking how it is getting smoothly into my eyelids. Let me add a little bit because I want to see this golden brown standing out more, so you can add and add as much as you want. Wow, super, so good. Yes, you can see that. Let's add some eyeliner so we can see this completely set, how it looks. So I'm gonna add the eyeliner, and this is the same eyeliner. I'm still having it. If you did not see the video of it, click here or here to see the video. To see this amazing mascara. Do you know this is the best mascara? It has given me a lot of satisfaction. So far, so good. Look at that. Are you all seeing this? Are you all seeing this? Are you all seeing this? Close my eyes so you can see. we're going to add our lips. So I just wanted to try for my eyes, and so far I'm liking it. And then I'm going to try my lips. So we have a small brush here. You don't see that, but this I think is for the brush. Should we add the brush also? Let's add the brush. So I'm gonna go with this right here. I'm gonna brush a little bit. Wow, you see that? It's looking good. Just brush to your cheekbone. Give it a smile, a smile, a smile. Yes. I'm liking this palette. So far, so good. It's not that extremely shiny, you know, it can give you that natural looking, no makeup look. Look at that brush. You barely see what I've done, but it's giving that glow, you know, shaping my face a little bit. Yes, and I'm liking it. So let's go to the lips. And I'm going to be using the same little thing, and then I use this side, not that side, I use this side. And then which color should I put for my lips? Let's try this maroon here, because I want us to see exactly how it looks. So the maroon, I hope you match my lips. Wow, this is good. Wow, this is amazing. So this is good. Wow, this palette, amazing. Look at that lip gloss. It's not shining, it's not matte, it's just good on its own. It's just good. That is the color I used. What I noticed with this palette is not showing you the names of the colors, so I cannot tell you this color, this is color number so and so. Just apply what I thought could look nice. Wow. Let me come close so you can see those lips and the eyes. This is so amazing. Perfect. So next time I'm going to take a video and I'm going to use everything here. I just use my own foundation because, you know, it's first time. I didn't know how it's going to look, but I'm trusting it. When I look at my eyelid and I look at my lips, this is very good. This is amazing. This is what I like, you know, that natural, yeah, like no effort, effortless, you know, and looking gorgeous. Effortless but gorgeous. You feel me? Yes. So this palette, it's not showing the names. No, it's not showing. So I can read it was saying, with an array of eyeshadow, lip colors, blush and powders to choose from, the Enhanced Complete Face Palette has everything needed to create a gorgeous look, perfect for any occasion. Do you agree with what they're saying here? Raise your hand if you agree. I do. So this is how the palette is, and I removed it. You can just hold it like that or put it in like that, and this is so gorgeous. So that is my review about this palette. I hope you have enjoyed. And remember, every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. Never forget to love yourself. Until next time, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your lovely one. Stay safe, everybody. Mwah.